Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to activate Q Symphony on Samsung TV. Let's go. Connect your soundbar to your TV via HDMI ARC or optical cable. Open Settings. All settings. General. External Device Manager. Turn on anynet plus. Sound. Sound output. Select TV plus soundbar. If Q Symphony is not available, then press mute 119 OK. One, two, three, four. Option. MRT option. Symphony support. Turn on. Turn off TV. Wait 5 seconds and turn on TV. That's it. Now you know how to activate Q Symphony on Samsung TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.